Logan, you got one.
Karen hasn't come yet.
How many team fouls do we have?
Okay. 3? Okay, that's 3 on him.
Good count. Here we go. Count, Bernardi. Father!
What's up? Sir!
Here.
Hey, Logan! Keith's gonna dribble handoff. Riley, start in that corner off the back. Do they have timeouts? Do they have any timeouts? Okay, thank you. Riley, go right. Alex, over here. Who's here? Keith, come on. Come on. Hey, man. Strong. Go.
Wow. Ouch.
All right, we go. Hey, match up.
They call it timeout.